Hello, I am Dorian. If you want to follow some of the stuff I'll be doing, you can hashtag Chef Dorian West, and on Google you'll see a whole bunch of stuff. I'm on Instagram, dwest76. Check me out. All right, so I'm in between trying to eat healthy and still have some deliciousness going. So what I'm going to prepare, something I've been preparing lately, is fish. Tilapia, kind of controversial in the fish world, but guess what? We'll make it happen. So I'm gonna have some fish. Nothing goes better with fish than some onions and some other stuff. So let me look. Let me show you what I got in the pan so far. Got a couple onions right here. Put that on my stove. Turn it up. If you like what's going on, I'm gonna upload this video so you can give me a comment, give me some pointers, help me out a little bit. You know, I'm not perfect. So I got the onions on there. I was thinking about a little bit of adobo, but we'll figure it out later. Hot beef sausages. I think they're parks. I'm gonna split them right down the middle, grill them up. You know what they say, at the same darn time. All right. So now we got our onions, and now we got our sausages popping. Here is something that I've been loving. Been taking these little, I don't know what to call them, plum tomatoes, and I've just been splitting them down the middle and just grilling them right with everything else. I take the top off just a teeny bit. You don't have to though. Look at that. Just split it just like this. Still connected. And bam. So now look, we're taking it to the next level, right? All right. I'm a big guy. Big guys need to eat good. They need to eat big, but we can't, there's got to be a balance somewhere in there. Eating a lot, but without those fats and all those other things going on. So this is my rendition of what I'm supposed to be eating. But guess what? By next year, I'm hoping to do something like be a vegan or close to it. But I think I'm going to somehow incorporate fish in a lot of the meals if I'm desiring meat. So goodbye to the beef sausage is what I'm trying to say. All right. So I got that popping. Now it's two ways I can go, and I'll ask you in the video. I got Grace Caribbean Traditions fish seasonings. Now this thing is delicious. Or I can go with some of this curry powder on my next meat. My next meat is going to be the tilapia. No, so let me get that out. A lot of people don't like, well, talk about me. When you first look at the packet, you're like, oh man, I'm not getting so much fish. I don't want to do this. You know. But I think if you buy, let's say I bought a 3 pound bag of tilapia, it really pays for itself. If you think how many times you're going to make fish, it really pays for itself. It's really, really dirt cheap. And I go to different stores that have it. I think I got this one from Fresh Grocer or Save a Lot or BJ's. I don't even know. I can't even tell you right now. But I'm gonna somehow find a way to put these three fillets on the grill. Opened. All right. Gotta move some things around. These onions almost are doing their thing. So I'm gonna move them around a little bit. I didn't need that much after all. All right. All right. So what I did is I moved the onions around, reconfigured my pot. Looking good, but we're not done. I got one more item. The incredible edible eggs. That's right. Let's pop them and let's put them in there too. Let's give them some love. Oh yes. Now we're talking. Now the question is, what should I do, guys? Should I go with the fish seasoning or should I go with the curry? What? Okay. The Grace fish seasoning it is. Okay, here it goes. I was giving a little shake into there, not too much, just a little douse into there. It don't need too much because you got the beef sausages had this own little flavor going on, extra salt in there. Then you got the onions and the eggs. Everything's doing its thing, creating a very delicious meal for this Sunday. So what's going on out there? Matter of fact, today is I don't know, it's the 16th. Got a little view. This is my kitchen, as you can see. I have the old subway tile in here. I didn't want to change it up. So that's what's going on in here. If you got any questions, let me know. Okay, so while the food is cooking, I got some questions out there. Is anybody taking an opportunity with all of this cryptocurrency craze going on? A stockbroker friend of mine told me it's like the gold rush. He said they call it speculation, and that the only people making money is the ones selling the shovels and the picks. And I was like, okay, that's really true. But I think there are some people out there finding gold, and they're also finding the beginning. It's hard to find the beginning of something in 2017, but some people are finding the beginning of a new foundation when it comes to money. So if you're thinking like that along the lines, there's a couple websites I'm going to send your way. I'm going to be on one called Steemit, Steemit, and they allow me to, have a platform to talk about this stuff and put some videos up and stuff like that. So we're going to see how that works. Right now, let me check on the food. But truthfully, how I'm cooking this food is kind of like what I'm talking about. Some of these stock market and cryptocurrencies, like you kind of set it and forget it. You know, you're not looking at it all the time. You just let it do its thing and then go about its business. Matter of fact, to get more into it, we can say the stock market is like it's like a plant. You plant the seed, you water it once in a while, and it's good. But the cryptocurrency is like cooking a cheesesteak. You got to constantly be, looking at it and doing stuff because you don't know. It might go up, it might go down, and in no time. But if you're into stuff like that, you'll be just fine. Especially those people out there that like gossip, that like to be in the middle of stuff. I think stock trading is awesome for you because you already have the skill. Should we say? You already have that desire to know what's going on, so you might as well get paid for it. Woo! Uh-oh. That one is turned up. Okay. Woo! Turn it up a little bit. You wouldn't believe this meal's practically done. I'm second time flipping the sausages. I'm kind of just waiting for the eggs. They should be done in not even maybe 2 minutes. You know, preparation is the key sometimes. And pull the fish out the freezer, the meat out the freezer, the tomatoes. Once you have the basic stuff of what you like on deck, you can be eating within 20 minutes. This this film is only so far 12 minutes and 20 seconds. So within 15 minutes, really can pull this off the plate, and two, three people can be eating. You know, we like to go to McDonald's and all these other places, but I mean, if you prepare, you really eat really good at home for a lot less cheaper. This meal that could be easily for two people probably costs $2, maybe. Two eggs, two sausages out of a pack of, I don't know how many is in there, 24 in there. The fish out of 3 pounds. Like I said, this is like a $2, $3 meal. But you buy this in the store, how much you gonna pay? Maybe two people eating, you're gonna pay like $20 at least. Fish in there, 20 something dollars. It's all about patience. It's all about preparation. Once you do those things, you don't fall victim to that last minute deal. All right, let you get a look at it because it's starting to do its darn thing. Look at that. Goodness gracious. I never turn the tomatoes over. There's something about having all that steam freshness on the inside. So I never really turn the tomatoes over. I might turn these eggs over. Add a little sharp cheddar cheese on top of those eggs. But I think we're ready to go. I've never been good at plating the food, so it is what it is. And here we go. We got our, where you at? Plate. I mean, camera. We got fried tilapia, my cheddar eggs, grilled beef sausages on that, stewed tomatoes, grilled onions. Looks like I'm good to go right here. Thank you for watching. If you want to see my stuff that I've done over some time, you can just hashtag Chef Dorian West on any computer. You'll see that. You can check me out on Facebook. You can check me out on Instagram. You can also check me out on Steam It. I'll put those things up for you to, And if you want to talk about anything, you know what I mean? I like to talk about stuff that's gonna help the future out, help all our future families and stuff like that. So just hit a comment at the bottom. Any ideas or comments, advice, hit it at the bottom. All right, peace out. Thanks for watching.